Chattanooga.
That
Chattanooga.
means we're in Chattanooga.
We made it to Chattanooga. We pulled in last night and it was kind of too late to really do anything. We walked around a little bit. We went and got a pizza. The pizza place we went to last night was really hip and there was art, like murals all over the walls.
I love you, Papa.
I love you, Maple.
We're having a lot of pizza because it's easy and fast and cheap. In every city we go to, we're finding the best pizza spot. This one might be a contender. It's called Lupi's Pizza Pies, and I knew right away when I walked in that I liked it because they have all these modern high chairs. They've got like 12 modern high chairs all stacked up. So often you go into a restaurant and there's all these old broken high chairs.
What do you have, Maple?
Good.
A book? Can you read the book to me? Once upon a time.
Never shall I
Maple fell in the water. That's right. You fell in the water in Paducah. Papa saved you.
Papa save you.
Maple's got a cucumber, Lyndon's got a loud bread. Loud bread means crouton.
You remember to chew with your mouth closed.
Put my teeth on.
The pizza was authentic New York style pizza. Of course, 2 Californians get to Tennessee and go straight for the New York style pizza. Yeah, I'm like, I'm feeling drips on me. What is that?
What, Mama? You dropped the water.
Yeah.
Oh, Mom.
In every city or town we go to, we pick one thing that we walk by or drive by at least once a day so the kids can remember what city they're in. And in Chattanooga, this smiley face is our Chattanooga thing. And Lyndon named him Donnie. It's a smiley face, but he's made up of all these little things. Coke bottle, screws, key, button, paintbrush, Christmas ornament, belt, golf ball, bedpost, airplanes, clowns, baseballs.
Lyndon, what's your favorite thing in Donnie the Smiley Face?
My favorite thing
Is which one?
is in Donnie. What's that moon doing? What are you doing? What's that moon doing, Papa? What's that moon doing?
What does it look like it's doing?
A bleeding face.
A bleeding face?
No, a hiding face.
Halloween face?
Yeah, a Halloween.
Like, ooh.
Nom, nom, nom.
You're eating a hot dog?
Yeah. Mama! Mama! Hi! Hi, Maple! I can hear you! I love you, Maple! I feel better.
We're at this cute little hot dog place called Good Dog, and they have all sorts of different hot dogs. I got 2. I got 1 Chicago dog and 1 German dog. They have really good French fries, and they're in cones, just like in Amsterdam. And they have holes drilled in the table that perfectly fit the French fry cones. It's really cute. Oh, and the place is decorated, really fun. Like Christmas lawn decorations all over the wall. A giant hot dog going. Every table has different salt and pepper shakers that are ceramic animals. When we walked in, they handed us coloring books for the kids, not just crayons and paper, but like entire coloring books and big mugs full of crayons. So everyone's really happy here. And Olive loves hot dog buns. Maple loves hot dogs. Lyndon loves hot dogs. We love hot dogs. Oh, and there's wasabi ketchup. I never even heard of wasabi ketchup before, but it's like my 2 favorite things combined. So I'm gonna actually go get another refill of wasabi ketchup. We're at Rock City. We drove here from Chattanooga. It's like a 15-20 minute drive, but we're actually in Georgia now. We're gonna walk to a place where you can see 7 states.
I don't see anything.
Rock City itself seems like it's not that toddler friendly, so we're taking the ADA trail. There's all these other places to see in Rock City. There's a big trail that loops around and through all these rock formations and like rock tunnels and lots of rocks, but it's really not toddler friendly. Right away we saw a crack in 2 rocks, went down 30 feet. So with Maple, she just walks without even looking. She could have just fallen down a 1-foot crack 30 feet into the earth just now. So we're gonna keep her in the stroller.
Mama.
Okay, we'll get over here and then you can see.
Oh wow.
We just want you guys to be safe, that's all. Well, Maple wants to get out, but it's too freaky. It's a cliff. And Maple just falls in stuff. She falls in lakes. I mean, she falls in everywhere. Sorry, babies. Maybe we can go somewhere else and you can get out. You can see 7 different states from here.
Can I get out?
Not
You
right now.
cannot get out.
We're gonna go see part of Rock City, even though it's a little bit dangerous and dark and slippery.
Mommy, come on.
Okay.
What are we gonna see, Lyndon?
Do you wanna come?
What's in there?
I don't want to see the dog, so I'm going to go like this. This helps me don't see anything.
Oh, it's a little bit freaky. Let's go. See anything?
No.
Okay, we were wrong. There's at least one section that's totally for toddlers and preschoolers. It's Mother Goose's garden, and we've been going around and around. This is our 4th time around the circle, and it's little figurines in black lights acting out nursery rhymes, and it's so weird and cute and kind of creepy, but kind of awesome. This is definitely going to be in my nightmares tonight.
Do you see those gnomes?
His name is Gilbert. His name is Gilbert.
Gilbert?
Yeah, Gilbert.
He's just going for a walk.
Maple, there's another horsey. That horsey.
Did you feel something on your feet?
Yeah. Yeah. It was different.
Like it tickled your feet?
Yeah.
What do you see there? What happened? What happened?
There's lots of ants on my feet.
We're at this beautiful park in between the 2 bridges in Chattanooga, and it suddenly started raining. Everyone's dispersing except for Maple and Lyndon, and they're just running through the park, getting all wet. It does feel pretty good because it's hot out. There's all the dispersers, and there's Lyndon and Maple. It's pretty magical. Should we go under something?
Yeah, of course.
Let's go under a tree, okay? Okay, now it's pouring. Okay, now it's pouring and we got a huge thunder. There's like a river on the ground. I'm soaking wet. Lyndon's crying. We're all freaked out.
The thunder's almost gone.
Oh, how?
It's just moving over us like an airplane. Like
Can I go home?
Here, let's see those legs. I have medicine. Where is it?
What the? Everywhere.
This medicine should fix it all.
And my arm itchy too.
That was crazy, huh?
Yeah, that was so crazy.
We're headed back over the pedestrian bridge in Chattanooga. That's where we got caught in the rainstorm. Yeah, the weather is different. I mean, I'm like naive when it comes to weather, I think, but when that just happened, the sudden rainpour and the thunder, I admit I was scared. Like the first thing that crossed my kind of subconscious into conscious was tornado. And I just like wanted to run. Felt like Dorothy or something. And then it stopped, but now it's kind of raining again, so we should probably speed it along, but it's so beautiful out. Like the sky is just rainbow colors and it's like magic hour and it's just so pretty. Chattanooga's really cool. There's something really charming about it. It's like kind of artsy and funky and old. Like it's not modern. It feels country, but it's a city. There's something about it I really like. Chattanooga. Even just saying Chattanooga is really fun. Chattanooga. 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 We make songs for every city we go in, and that's Chattanooga's song. Chattanooga. 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 Chattanooga.